Hello, how are you today? Welcome to the H video by To Go English Tutorials. The letter H sounds like ha, like in the word heart. Try this. How many hymns could a hummingbird hum if a hummingbird could hum hymns? How many hymns could a hummingbird hum if a hummingbird could hum hymns? Here are some other phrases with how. Please repeat. How are you? How much is this? How many hummingbirds are there? How do hummingbirds hum? How can I improve my English? How about we start again? How are you? How much is this? How many hummingbirds are there? How do hummingbirds hum? How many is used for countable nouns? How much is used for uncountable nouns? Here are some examples. How many hummingbirds are there? There is one hummingbird. How many flowers are there? There are a lot of flowers. How much nectar can it drink? It's hard to count the nectar. How much do you love hummingbirds? It's hard to count the love. How many hummingbirds are there now? There are 2 hummingbirds. The verb have is a very important verb in English. We conjugate it like this. I have, he has, she has, it has. We have, they have. A plural noun uses have. Example sentences are, he has a hummingbird at his house, and they have a happy home in Hawaii. Hummingbirds have wings and have fun when they hover. 2 halves make a whole heart. Homonyms are words that sound the same but have different meanings. For example, here and here. We are here near the Purple Mountains. Can you hear the hummingbirds hum? Now, here is some vocab that starts with the letter H. How, have, having, hum, hummingbird, hover, harmony, harmonies, harmoniously, hymns, happy, happily, hear, heard, hurry, hurried, hustle, heaven, heavenly, healthy, heart, hearty, and heartily, humble, however, hues, hover, and hatch. Did you catch the word that I said twice? The answer is at the end of the video. If there are words here that you don't know, remember to check your dictionary, but I'll help you with a few words. Here we have the words hearty, haste, and hasty. Haste is a noun. Hearty is an adjective. The hearty chili will make me hearty. What do these words mean? Hearty is healthy, strong, satisfying, and full of flavor, tasty, or friendly, enthusiastic. The noun haste means speed in acting or moving, and the adjective hasty means done or made quickly, often without careful thought. The verb hatch means to come or to bring forth from an egg. The chick hatches from the egg. The adjective hardy means able to survive under bad conditions or tough. The cactus is a very hardy plant. The words hardy, hasty, hatch, and hardy can tell us about hummingbirds. Did you hear the homonym? Watch the end of the video to find the answer. Now it's time for some hummingbird facts. Hummingbirds love to drink nectar from flowers and feeders and are constantly seeking food. If you have colorful flowers, chances are they will happily visit you. The hummingbird's heart beats from 500 to 1,000 beats per minute. It has wings that can flap 30 to 40 times per second. All this flapping makes the hummingbird hungry and hot. Its temperature can go up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Its wings sometimes hum as it hardly hovers as it hustles for nectar, the sweet juice made by flowers. They also love to visit feeders. However, during torpor, a form of hummingbird hibernation, the heart can drop to 100 beats per minute. These birds are known for their heavenly hues or colors and their small size. These hardy creatures are capable of long migrations and seem to have a memory of every stop along the way. Having a hummingbird fly nearby can bring happiness and hope. It can also inspire a bit of poetry. So here it goes. Here's a poem. This is an acrostic poem that I made with the letters in the word hummingbird. Hear the hum, hum, hum of the hummingbird's wings. Up and down they hover, and as they eat, musical harmonies and hymns are happily heard, making hurried movements as they hustle for nectar here. Inspiring hatchlings to hurry their wings, nodding harmoniously how lovely their heavenly plumage, growing to have happy, healthy little hearts, being humble, however their hues amaze. In and out they dart, having hearty appetites. Rarely do the hummingbirds fail to delight. Do you hear the hum, hum, hum of the hummingbird's flight? I hope that you have enjoyed To Go English Tutorials H video about hummingbirds. Can you write a poem about hummingbirds? Did you hear the homonyms in this lesson? Please share and subscribe, and here are the answers I promised you. Have fun studying English. I said hover twice, by the way. The hummingbird homonyms were hardy and hardy. And I just want to thank you so much for watching and for the great footage from Quito, Ecuador.